It's always interesting on nights like this. In fact, John joining us now to talk a little bit more about this system that moved through. You guys were watching this from the beginning stages of when it started forming last night.
Yeah, Jeff, and those storms got a little too close for comfort. We're seeing over a dozen preliminary reports of tornadoes, some of those damaging. A lot of them occurred west of Lake Michigan in the Chicago metro, but some of them did arrive in our neck of the woods. So far, the National Weather Service Chicago has confirmed at least 7 tornadoes, a couple of which reached EF1 levels, if not a bit greater. Looking to the east of Lake Michigan, there was some funnel and tornadic activity that got very close to home here, and we actually just got word that an EF1 was confirmed. This was in Branch County, Michigan, boasting wind speeds of 90 miles an hour, and that same thunderstorm made its way into Hillsdale County later. Here's a radar loop of what we saw last night that prompted a tornado warning for Hillsdale County, and that was indeed an EF1 that caused barn damage and even did some damage to metal structures in Branch County, Michigan. Thankfully, the weather is a little bit quieter at the moment, but looking 24 hours ago, we did see that thunderstorm activity and also the extreme heat we talked about earlier. None of that going to impact us today as we have quiet weather for the rest of the evening.
John,